guys, it's Anne. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be an undecorate with me, and I'll be starting in my dining room and living room. First, I'll be undecorating the dining room table and removing all of the decor as well as all of the holiday decor on my credenza.
I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
Moving on to the living room area, I am undecorating the Christmas tree as well as removing all of the Christmas pill covers and just organizing all of the decor into the containers.
Backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
So as you guys know, over the holidays, there is always snow, there is always glitter from all of the decor. So what I'm doing right now is dusting the dining room table and the credenza and doing my best to get rid of all that glitter, because if you don't, you'll have glitter and snow throughout the whole year. I'll also be doing a bit of sweeping and then heading into the living room area and tidying up a bit, as well as vacuuming the area rug.
All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but no never trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just got on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. Now I got us full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick. Keep making that money flip.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but
So I took a quick break and I made some basmati rice, cucumbers, salmon, sweet corn, an Italian blend which includes carrots, beans, broccoli, and I also added a can of beans and tomato sauce. And this is dinner for today. So I wanted to show you guys my progress. So I got the Christmas tree box from the garage. So I still need to take down the Christmas tree. I won't be decorating in this video. You guys will have to make sure that your post notifications are on so you can come back and watch me decorate for the winter. These are the containers. I've sort of just condensed some of my Christmas decor, and I've added all of the ornaments in just one container for now. All of the other decor and things like that in this container, as well as that. This is actually just a box of florals, and I think I'm going to donate some of the Christmas decor that I used for the tree this year and some other holiday decor. This picture needs to go down in the basement. We're actually going to put it on the wall there. And all I need to do now is mop, sweep. Like I said in the earlier clip, I made dinner, so I just need to clean my cooktop. I ended up ordering this Thermobrite from Amazon. I will leave a link for it in the description box down below. It actually comes with the cooktop cleaner as well as a scraper and 2 other items. So if you're interested and you have a cooktop and you need something to clean your cooktop, I will leave a link to this in the description box down below. I actually was watching my YouTube sister Shanna Lakel. She has a cooktop similar, pretty much the same thing like what I have here, which her husband did install. So you can check her channel out. Her name is Shanna Lakel. And I've actually seen other YouTubers use this product, but I wasn't really sure what the name of it was. She sent me the picture and I went on Amazon and I found it. So yeah. Hey family, welcome back. So it's the next day and I've removed all of the holiday decor, packed that away as you saw. I'm moving on to cleaning my cooktop using the Dermabrite solution that I recently ordered from Amazon. I also ordered a can of foam Windex cleaner that you'll see me unbox in a short while. I'll be using that to clean the mirrors above the credenza as well as the dining room area. I've been having a really hard time finding a good glass cleaner for my dining room table. Everything that I've used so far have left streaks. So I'm hoping that the Windex cleaner, foam cleaner, will do a better job. However, it did clean all of the other mirrors really well. I didn't see any streaks, but on the dining room table, it did leave a little bit of streaks. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the sprayway cleaner that I've seen other YouTubers use, and they've given really great reviews that it works really well. So I think I'll go ahead and order that from Amazon and see how that works. I'll leave links to the foam Windex and the Dermabrite cooktop cleaner if you're interested in my description box down below. I want to thank you guys for all of your love and support in 2021, all of my oldies but goodies, and all of my new family members here on Glam Designs by Anne. I hope you guys are enjoying this cleaning video. I hope it's therapeutic. I hope I'm giving you a little bit of inspiration and motivation, because I get a lot of inspiration and motivation and find it really therapeutic watching other YouTubers, do their cleaning in their spaces. And I'll also be doing a little bit of mopping, sweeping and mopping. So continue to, watch the rest of the video. And I want to thank you all for your love and support. In 2021, I wish you guys all the best in 2022. I love you. Thanks for rocking with me, and continue to enjoy the rest of the video. So it is coming to the ending of this video, guys, and before I let you go, my name is Anne. My channel's name is Glam Designs by Anne. Over here on my channel, I love to share motivational cleaning and organizational videos, hauls, decorating, lifestyle videos, and much more. So if that is the type of content that you love watching, I would love for you to stay, subscribe, and become part of the family over here, as well as double tapping your post notification bell. That way you'll always get alerts each and every time a video is uploaded to the channel. I love you for watching. All the best in 2022, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep one of you sick.